there, fellow night owls and sleep challenge beans. Welcome to our channel, Life Happens. Today we're diving deep into the realm of sleep. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the elusive state that somehow always seems one Netflix episode away, right? Now, we all know sleep is like that high maintenance friend. You love them, but boy, oh boy, do they require some effort. So why bother? Well, besides looking like a zombie at your 9 a.m. meeting, sleep is important to your health, mood, and even your ability to laugh at jokes. Sleep serves as a foundational pillar for both physical and mental health, playing a crucial role in repairing and restoring the body, conserving energy, and strengthening and supporting your immune system. In other words, it's like the ultimate spa treatment for our bodies and brains. Mine is the fancy cucumber water. Think of it as your body's nightly tune-up where it goes, let's fix this human up so they accidentally don't walk into the door again tomorrow. On that note, let's cut to our doctor, Dr. ER, Dr. Jordan Wagner, who has a little more to say on sleep. All right, imagine if we had the doctor there to stress the importance of sleep further. But let's just say my failure to hit the record button proves we're only human and humans need their sleep. It's essential for learning, memory consolidation, problem-solving abilities, and maintaining emotional balance. Not to mention, it keeps those midnight hunger gremlins at bay and supports the growth and development of the young ones, ensuring they grow up to be big and strong. Oh, and wanna look and feel younger? Well, a good night's sleep might just be your elixir to youth. By enabling the brain to clear out toxins, sleep not only potentially lowers your risk of neurodegenerative diseases, but also contributes to a longer, more vibrant life. Catching those Z's is like hitting the refresh button, ensuring you don't turn into a caffeine-dependent zombie. So the big question on everyone's mind, how does one sleep better? Fear not, my sleep-deprived comrades. I've got some tips and a secret weapon to help you get VIP bracelets into the snooze fest. Ways to sleep better and improve sleep? First, make your bedroom a chill zone. I mean, literally. The cooler temperatures, the better. It helps. In fact, according to various scientific studies, the optimal room temperature is around 65 degrees or 18.3 Celsius for good nighttime sleep. This relates to your body's internal temperature regulation. So go ahead and drop the temperature a bit and see if that helps. Beyond that, you've heard it a million times, but ditch the screens an hour before bed. Yes, even this one. Try a relaxing evening routine, whatever that means to you. Meditation, reading a book, listening to the sound of rain, interpretive dance to whale sounds. I don't know, whatever it is that gets you feeling relaxed after a long day, as long as it's legal, okay? And lastly, there's my secret weapon, Do Not Disturb Sleep Supplement. Not to be confused with your phone setting, though both can definitely improve your night. First up, we've got not one, not two, but 3 forms of magnesium. It's like superheroes for your sleep cycle, helping relax those muscles and setting the mood for dreamland. Then there's Passionflower as well. It's not just a pretty face, it helps calm your mind faster than you can say counting sheep. And let's not forget L-Theanine for that zen-like state we all crave. And Evodia, the ingredient that kicks caffeine's butt to help curb those sleep disturbances that are caused by it. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't go overboard on taking the D&D. No, not the other D&D, this D&D. Stick to the recommended dose or you might end up sleeping through the next 3 seasons of your favorite show. So there you have it, folks. Embrace these tips and maybe a little help from Do Not Disturb to finally enjoy the blissful, restorative good night you deserve. Because remember, a better sleep means a better you. Let me know your go-to sleep hacks in the comments below. You know, sharing is caring. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next Life Happens health video. And of course, if you want to get your own Do Not Disturb, the link is in the description below. Sweet dreams and good night.